So I'll give us a quarter turn to the left and separate the valve body from the base. And this is the piece that goes inside the tank and protrudes through the bottom, and then it reassembles inside the tank. So it really goes in quickly and easily. Okay, I've removed the flush valve from the base. Now what I'm going to do is remove the nut on the bottom here, along with the O-ring. And I'm going to leave the rubber gasket on the base, but that's got to go on the inside of the tank. I'm going to reach in with my left hand now, and I'm going to push that onto the tank. You can see it protruding out. Put on the O-ring, like that. And now I'm going to put on the nut. And all I'm going to do, holding it from the inside, I'm going to secure this hand tight, like this. Now I'm going to pull on my new tank to bowl gasket, right here. That's it. Now we're ready to attach the valve body to the base unit, which is now in our tank. Carefully aligning up the tabs on the valve body to fit right into the slots in the base unit down below. So I slide it in and give it a quarter turn like that. It's done. Ready to go to the next step to attach the handle. Now we're going to attach the handle. First, let's examine it. It comes pre-packaged from the factory, already assembled, as you can see. It's kind of ingenious how they put this together. Stainless steel cable inside this yellow line here, and here's a cable adjuster should you ever need it in the future, but it comes pre-tensioned and pre-adjusted from the factory already, so it's ready to go. Now there's a blue button here, which is a quick release. By pressing down on this, you can see I press down and the assembly comes apart. I'll put this away for a second. And now you can see I've got the retaining collar here, and I'll just unscrew that. And we're now ready to go insert this through the square hole in our tank. Let's do that now. Okay, we're ready to put the handle into the tank, and you can see I've got the retaining nut off the handle, and I'll give you a camera shot so you can look straight on at it. Notice the rubber gasket is square. It's going to fit right through the square hole in the toilet tank. So what I'm going to do is feed it right through here like this and work it into that square hole, and it fits perfectly. Then I'm going to go back on the inside and screw on my retaining nut. Put it on there. It's got little handles on it so you can do it finger tight. Beautiful. It's in. Next thing we're going to do is simply attach the mechanism to the back of the handle. It's so ingenious, this quick release button. You just press down on it, slide it onto the shaft, and let go. That's it. You can see it. It's ready to go with a half flush or a full flush. Next, I got to put my fill tube back in. Some of the toilets have got the old clip you can use, which will attach to the side here easily. In this case, I'm just going to stick it through the hole in the side of the fill tube and have it go down the hole like that, and that'll retain it just fine. Okay, our One2Flush dual flush toilet kit is installed. We're ready to reattach the water line. I've already done that, and I'll just turn on the valve and fill the tank with water.